Hey guys, Blonderlock here. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be unboxing the Liberty Play. The Liberty Play is just a copy of the AirPods. Looking at the box, it just has the basic information. It's very minimalistic. You can see Liberty Play at the front, then just one on the side and another Liberty Play on the side. The back is blank, no information. Blank here, no information. Blank here as well. Basically no information, but the information I do have about this is this comes in the pink colorway and the white colorway as well, but I got this in the black colorway. So let's have a look at what's inside the box. So taking it out, we have the Liberty Play here in the black colorway, like I said before. So the black colorway is, I think, one of the best colorways between all the three colorways. So you can get this in pink and white as well. So when you look at it, you have a play button at the front. This play button determines if this is the Liberty Play or not, because there are different copies of the AirPods out there and you need to know which one you're getting. We have the InPods 12, the TWSI 12s, and the Liberty Play, as well as other different ones as well. So looking around it, you have a physical button at the back here to initiate charging and to know whether it's charging or not. And you also have an indicator light down here. So when you look at the build quality is a matte finish. It's not a glossy finish like the original AirPods. It has a matte finish much like the InPods 12s, and it also charges with the lightning connector from what I can see here. So let's look at what's inside the box. Okay, looking at what's inside the box, we have the charging connector. The charging connector is the lightning connector, like I said, the same one used to charge the iPhone, so that's pretty convenient. And the next one is the user manual. The user manual of the Liberty Play. So this user manual is not in English and I cannot read anything here, so I'm just gonna put this down. All right, so looking at it, taking it out of the box. The box does feel a little bit cheap. The hinge doesn't feel really comfortable, but it does snap back pretty well, so that's good. So looking at the AirPods themselves, they do have some distinct differences between them and the original AirPods. When you look at them, they have indicator lights right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see that in the video, but they do have indicator lights here that turn blue and turn red as well. The stem is a little bit bigger than that of the original AirPods. They're even a little bit bigger than the ones for the InPods 12s as well. So they do have a pretty big stem. So we're just gonna connect this up a little bit and we're gonna do a little sound test to see what they sound like. So you guys give me a second. Okay, so listening to the song, I can just say that it has some really good bass, but the treble is not that good. But I think for the price that it comes at, it's a really good one. I would recommend this for anyone that is like just on a budget looking for something a little bit cheap to buy and something not too expensive. Then I would definitely recommend the Liberty Play, but I would recommend the InPods 12 over the Liberty Play. The Liberty Play does have a cheap feel and a cheap look to it, so it doesn't really come out as one of the best headphones to me. But I'm gonna do a comparison later between this and the InPods 12s and the TWSI 12s and the original AirPods ones as well. So if you guys are interested in that, why don't you leave a like in the video and don't forget to subscribe as well. So talking about the Liberty Play, I just feel most people should not buy it. I feel it's not worth the price. It doesn't feel and doesn't look as good as you would think. It does has a really good matte finish, but it's not really as good as you think it is. The sound is definitely not as good as you would imagine it to be. So my recommendation is definitely not for anyone to pick this up. I think there would be way better AirPods out there than this one that you can get for a similar price range. So, but it just depends on you. If you still like the Liberty Play and you're still interested in the Liberty Play, then you can get it yourself. But if you're not so interested in it, then I think you should just get something like the InPods 12. The InPods 12 are a really good clone of the original AirPods, but if you also like the AirPods Pros, you can get the InPods 13 as well. The InPod 13 is also a really good clone of the AirPods Pros. So my thing about this is just don't buy it. That's basically the only thing I've got to say. Don't buy this. It's definitely not worth it. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time.